Now all this stuff needs to be transferred over to this. It's a hefty job, a lot of labor, so let's get to it.
And to help me with this beast of a job, I'm gonna use a beast of a tool. The Fantic E1 Max portable precision screwdriver that lives inside this tiny box. Because with a simple push, the E1 Max pops right up, and another gives you access to over 50 bits that are magnetically attached to the case, so no more prying and breaking fingernails. And with 2 torque settings, a manual mode, and a sturdy build quality, the E1 Max makes quick work of tearing down electronics or putting them back together, which explains why it's been the #1 bestseller